Welcome back to After Six Cocktails. Happy Halloween, everyone. I'm wearing this witch outfit because today I'm going to make this cocktail called the Witch's Brew. It's really interesting. I found the recipe for it online. It calls for 1.5 ounces of Midori. I don't have that. I don't want to buy it. I think they chose it because it's green. Well, I have green chartreuse, which tastes like shit, and I have absinthe. I like absinthe. This is also green. It calls for lemon juice, which can have a greenish tint, and cointreau. So, let's make this shit. I don't have dry ice, which would make it really cool. I can get it, I just don't have it, and I don't have a way to store dry ice. So, as usual, let's first start with the ounce of lemon juice. See, this is smart. You probably should affix pourers to my liquor bottles, but I'm kind of lazy. There's the ounce of lemon juice. Got an ounce of cointreau. And then I'm going to do 3/4 of an ounce of chartreuse. Great, just great. I dropped the cap. Hey. That's almost an ounce, but whatever. This isn't the chemistry lab. I don't have to be precise. And then I'm using 3/4 of an ounce of absinthe. This is weird. The recipe calls for this to be stirred, but has citrus juice in it. Probably should have put an ice cube in there as well. And this is the Witch's Brew. Double, double, toil and trouble. Cauldron, fire burn and cauldron bubble. And all that other shit that they say. You know Hamlet? Yeah, I had to read that. I like 2 Shakespeare plays. It's totally off topic. The only 2 I like, or actually I should say 3. I like 3. Macbeth, Hamlet, and A Midsummer Night's Dream. The witch scene is the first few lines of Macbeth. Double, double, toil and trouble. Fire burn and cauldron bubble. When shall we 3 meet again? In thunder, lightning, and in rain. Over there upon the heath, there to meet with Macbeth. Or something like that. Remember, was it Patrick Stewart who did a very good rendition? I don't remember. But this is surprisingly very good. I usually think chartreuse is the most disgusting piece of shit on the planet. But this is good shit. This is good. Happy Halloween. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Since that last cocktail involved absinthe, I think might as well do an absinthe shot. You know, a shot. I love these shot glasses. They're so interesting. It's meant to look like a casing from a rifle cartridge. Or actually, this would more likely be from a pistol cartridge. And they all say it's a shot, so some people say a shot is 2 is I'm going to be pretty scientific about it though. I'm going to pour a proper shot. Which is 45 milliliters. Yes, I'm using this one because it's in milliliters. I'm a chemist, so what? This is absinthe. It says absinthe is 110 proof, 55%. You call that lightweight? 55? You call that heavyweight? Oh my witch's head is falling down. I wish there was a way to keep it, you know, up. I did the absinthe shot, so hopefully it won't be in absentia any longer. Happy Halloween. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.